The new functionality Angular Point Separation Control tries to keep the machine tool moving smoothly when there is rapid angular change in one of the rotary axes of the machine tool. In particular, the problem occurs near a vertical tool axis, when the machine tool is near the gimbal lock position, where small movements in the tool axis vector result in large movements in one of the axes. This is best seen if we simulate on the machine tool displayed, where the tool is going across the face at a constant level. When it gets near the gimbal lock position, the vertical tool axis, a rapid change occurs in the table, spinning it 180 degrees or slightly more. When it returns back, it'll do exactly the same. What happens when we look at the component that has been machined is that when we have rapid change like this over a small area, marking on the job can typically be seen. This angular point separation control works to complement the existing point separation distance. When we look at the settings on this form here, we can see that the new functionality has been included within the point distribution tab. We have the existing point separation distance of 0.25 millimeters, but we now have the added option of including a point separation angle. When this box is ticked, it allows the user to set the maximum angle that the points will be distributed within the tool pass. This control allows extra points to be inserted to ensure that the maximum angle is obeyed. When both controls, point separation distance and point separation angle, are enabled, the points will be added to ensure that both maxima are kept. So at any one time, points will either be closer than the maximum point separation distance or closer to the maximum angular distance, which ensures that the point separation control is met. I'll dismiss this form and we'll go and look at the toolpaths themselves to see how this is seen within the points. Remove the tool from being displayed and deactivating it. We will now display a toolpath on a side which has both point separation distance and point separation angle enabled. We will see when we look at the toolpath, while we have equal points around the nose flying part of the surface, when we get close to the vertical tool axis where we saw the table spin around very quickly, more points have been inserted in the toolpath. In this instance here, the setting was set to 0.5 degrees. So, as it progressed along at the default setting of 0.25 millimeters and point separation distance, he could maintain that. But when PowerMILL detected there was going to be a rapid angular change, extra points were inserted into the passes at an angle of 0.5 degrees to be maintained. So when we come out, we can see where the denser areas are that are red, extra points have been inserted. This gives extra control over the passes and gives improved surface finish on the component.